Welcome back to the D fam. So welcome back to our channel and hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna be cleaning the refrigerator. We're gonna clean it and we're gonna organize it with bins. So if this is something that interests you and you would love to see the outcome, I invite you guys to stick around. And now let's get to work. Okay guys, so this is how my refrigerator currently looks like. Let me show you the inside. So as you can see, my refrigerator is on overdrive right now. So all the ketchups, some dressings, some more ketchup, all the sauces, A1s, some orange juice. And then so I bought the bins so I can try to organize all of my vegetables. We'll see how that works for me. Now let me show you the middle section. So this is where I store their yogurts, fruit cups, candy, cheese, stuff like that. This is my freezer. So let's get to work. Okay guys, so I am done with my top section and now it is time to clean, and I'm going to be using some soapy water, some vinegar, and an all-purpose cleaner. Wow guys, look at this. It looks just like new. So I'm gonna start putting back some stuff because I don't want it to go bad on me, like the milk, the eggs, and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna move on to these right here, and also this side. Okay, so this is all clean now, so I'm gonna use it for all of the coffee creamers so it can be easy access. Okay guys, so before I put this back in its place, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the cap and also around the top. much better. Okay guys, so we are done with the top section. Now let's move on to the middle section. Okay guys, so I bought these bins and they're stackable, which is awesome. So I can organize the girls' snacks such as Danable smoothies, yogurts, fruit cups, jello, stuff like that. Okay guys, so we are almost done, but I did want to ask you guys a question. How many of you guys do the same thing that we do? So we save all of the packages and I think it's time to get rid of them. Exception of the barbecues and stuff like that, because those were always missing extra ones. So for sure we're keeping these two. Okay guys, so we are finally done and wow, I feel like a new person. It is so clean and organized, and believe it or not, the bins did help out a lot. So let me give you a little small tour. So this is the top section. If you go back to the before, you will see an enormous change. So this is basically the stuff that we really need: milk, eggs, bread, stuff like that. And then I also organized all this. And this side as well. And let me show you the middle section. Look at how well these bins worked out for us. And now to the freezer section. So this is the bottom part and this is the top part. Okay guys, so this is it. What do you guys think? Give me your honest opinion. So the bins were very helpful. If you have any questions regarding the bins I used, please leave it in the comments down below. So if you guys think I did good, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Okay guys, so this is the way that we keep the girls distracted while my mom's recording. These dogs are magical. Okay, bye!